a lot of back and forth, from what we've picked up from our sources, Nexus is finally on board as far as this deal is concerned. So from what we are picking up, the number getting at this stage from our sources, Nexus has agreed to a payout in the range of $50 to $60 million. That's what we've picked up from our sources. Agreement for Snapdeal's merger with Flipkart. Remember, Nexus was one of the earliest investors in the company. Totally, they've pumped in over $35 million, so they will make at least a 2x return on that investment. The other contentious issue was, of course, what the founders of Snapdeal are going to get. From what we understand, they have also agreed to a payout of $15 million each pre-tax. So that's Kunal Bahl and Rohit Bansal, who will walk away with $15 million each. So after this, the term sheet will be signed with Flipkart for Flipkart to finally get access to Snapdeal's financials and begin a formal due diligence. So from what we understand, at least for now, Nexus founders are on board after a lot of back and forth between SoftBank, between the other board members. They have agreed to go ahead with the merger.
All right, they've agreed to go ahead with the merger, Chandra, but by when do we expect the formal nod from Snapdeal's board to come through?
In terms of the timeline, we have been telling you since the beginning of this week that this will be done by the end of this week. We are sticking with that because from what we understand, a call between the boards of both companies could happen between today and tomorrow for the formal term sheet to be signed and for the due diligence to begin. So once Flipkart starts the process of due diligence is when the final merger will be announced with Snapdeal. So for now, SoftBank has managed to convince all the Snapdeal board members to go ahead with this deal, that it is the best thing as far as Snapdeal is concerned. Remember, they've already written off almost their entire investment in Snapdeal. As far as what Flipkart is getting out of this, there is no doubt that, this is literally a distressed sale as far as Snapdeal is concerned. But Flipkart will get a big strategic investor in SoftBank. That's the biggest takeaway for Flipkart. So between today, tomorrow, we should see this deal getting formalized.